Hey you guys, SEK the Homesteader here with another video on a coupon haul from CVS. Y'all know early part of the week I was hauling Vaseline, and I did that same deal again on one of my care pass, you guys. So it was buy two, get back three ECBs, and I did that transaction again today. So here is my receipt, and you guys, I got back $3. So this is what we will call rolling. So I rolled my $3 into the next transaction, which was this Energized body wash, which I did this deal 4 times because I used my $3 from the other 3 transactions that I did the early part of the week with the Vaseline, where I got back $3 on 3 transactions. So this deal happened to come up, which was on the internet, and this soap was actually on clearance, and they were priced at $179, $199. Buy one, get the other one half price. So I took my $3 in ECBs and I rolled it into 2 of these, which had me come out to pay 62 cents on one of my transactions. Then I did another transaction, and for some reason that one came out to be 62 as well. But then when I did another transaction at another store, it came out to be $1.05. Now, I don't know why that happened. Some stores have a difference of maybe 5 to 10 cents difference. It'd be like that sometimes, and some stores may have it on clearance and some stores may not. Now, this one came out to be 18 cents, which... well, no, actually 19 cents, which was not bad at all for 2 bottles of this soap. Now, do we really use this soap in my house? No, we don't. But you never know. You might be able to help someone out. You might be able to give it to charity, share it with someone. But to be able to get soap for $1 or 18 cents or 19 cents, that's pretty good to be able to get 2 bottles for 19 cents. So again, the Vaseline was on promotion. Spend 10, get back 3. I used my care pass, which is $10. And I took the $3 that I was able to get back, rolled it into one transaction, another transaction, and another transaction, and another transaction. So what you see here is 4 different transactions. Remember what I told you guys. You can roll. You can stay in CVS and roll all day if you want to. But I did not focus on getting back more ECBs because those ECBs will come around again. So, I do have 2 more care passes that I can use, I think this month. So I saved those for this coming up week to see what type of deals they're offering this week, what's on promotion, things of that nature. So I hope I can bring you guys another video next week to see what kind of deals we could get. But this was the deals for this week. And again, these deals are still valid. So if you need to stack up on Vaseline, this was the week to do it. If you needed to stack up on other things like detergent, body wash, this was definitely a great week to stack up on those items. All right, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on couponing at CVS. And SEK the Homesteader will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Make sure you thumbs up, like, subscribe. That will help me out tremendously. Peace.